Yes students, now we will discuss one practical question so that concept of cash book should be clear to you. I am discussing illus number 8A from DK Goel and I am just reading the statement. Simultaneously we will solve this question. Enter the following transactions in the cash book with cash and bank column. Also pass journal entries where necessary. So first is, all of us you have to prepare a format. Cash book with cash and bank column. Date, particulars, voucher number, ledger folio, cash, bank. Date, particulars, voucher number, ledger folio, cash and bank. First entry is 2020 April 1. Cash in hand, that means two balance brought down and in cash column. Bank overdraft, that means decreased bank balance. So by balance brought down with bank column. Bank overdraft means there is a decrease in your balance. So if increasing, then we will record on debit side. If decreasing, then we will record on credit side. Next is received a check from Hari and paid it into the bank on same day. So that means our bank balance is increasing with 1300. Why? Just because of Hari. So 2 Hari will be here on April 2 in bank column. Third, received a check from Vinod. And in fifth, again we will read the next line. Check received from Vinod, deposit into bank. That means check received on third but deposit in the bank on fifth. So on third, what will be the journal entry on third? It will be in journal. Checks in hand to Vinod. As you can see, there is no cash in bank. So it will not recorded in cash book. It will be recorded in journal. What will be the journal entry when you receive the check? Checks in hand to the person. That means to Vinod. Fifth date. This check was deposited into bank. So 2 checks in hand. What you have deposited into bank? Checks. Now Vinod is not there. So 2 checks in hand and bank balance is increased. Next is purchased goods and paid by check. That means your bank balance is decreasing. So April 5 by purchases account and bank column. Including freight paid in cash. Freight is paid in cash. So on 5th by freight account it will be decrease our cash balance. Sold goods for cash April 6th. So on 6th to sales account our cash balance is increasing. Next is again on 8th sold goods for cash 16,000. So on 8th to sales account cash balance is increasing. On 9th sale proceed of April 8 deposit it into bank. That means now you have deposited the cash into bank. That means it is a contra entry. So with 16,000 our bank balance is increasing and our cash is decreasing because we deposit the cash in bank. So in front of bank we will write to cash and in front of cash we will write by bank. Next, withdrew cash for private use. Private use means drawings. So by drawings and cash is decreasing. Next is withdrew by check for private use. Again it is a drawing but now withdrawn from check. That means bank balance is decreasing. So by drawings account bank balance. Next, paid to Suresh. Next is on April 14. Goods purchased from Suresh on credit. As you can see credit word is there. So it will not record it in cash book. We have to make the journal for it. What will be the journal entry? Purchase account debit to Suresh. Next, paid to Suresh by check. That means bank balance is decreasing. So by Suresh bank balance is decreasing with 2500. Next, received a check from Ajay on 17 and not bank. That means this check is not deposited into bank. So checks in hand to Ajay. We will write it in journal. And on 20th, check received from Ajay endorsed to Vijay. हमारे पास we don't have received anything in cash. So this check is endorsed to Vijay. So Vijay to checks in hand. There will be no transaction regarding cash. Next, received the check from Mahesh and deposit into bank. So to Mahesh and deposit into bank with 2700. Next is receive cash 1000 and check 1200 for cash sale. We have sales here. Cash receives 1000 and check received 1200. So check will be recorded in bank column. Next, paid into bank. Again it is a contra entry. Bank balance is increasing with to cash and cash balance is decreasing with by bank. Next, received a check from Prem and immediately deposit into bank. So by received a check from Prem, so to Prem and bank balance is increasing. Third last is bank notifies that Prem's check has been dishonored and bank charges 20 rupees as bank charges. Keep it in mind, whenever there is a word dishonored, that means your bank balance is decreasing due to any irregularity. So by Prem, check will again goes to that person to whom it is received. So by Prem, bank column is decreasing including bank charges of 20 rupees. So 4170. Next is Kishore deposit directly in our bank account. So bank is increasing to Kishore. And the last is bank has charged 60 rupees as bank charges. So bank charges, that means bank balance is decreasing. And bank also charge interest on overdraft. So by interest, bank is decreasing. Now at last we have to make a total of cash column and bank column in both sides. So in cash column we will write total receipts of cash, total receipts of bank, and in credit side we have total payments of cash and total payments of bank. Now you have to calculate the balance. We received cash 35420 but paid only 27250. So what will be the balance? 35420 minus 27250. That means balance of cash is 8170. It will become the opening balance for next month. And in bank we received 41650 but we paid 50950. That means balance of bank overdraft is 9300. You have to make it the total by balance. So 9300 will be here. Now total will be equal. So this balance will be posted as two balance brought down on May 1st and this balance will be posted here by balance brought down with 9300. I hope it is clear. Thank you.